Good morning, dear students. How is everything going on? Good morning, Nursultan. How are you? You are always first. Good morning, Aldayar. So let's check the connection. Do you see me and can you hear me well? Hello, Daria. Yes? Okay. Are you ready then to start our lesson? Okay, good. So let's start our lesson then. Okay, guys. Can you tell me what did we discuss during our last lesson? What did we discuss about? Do you remember our last lesson's topic? Guys, could you be active? Yes, we talked about school subjects and some verbs related to school activities, right? Okay. Today we are going to talk about some rules and we are going to review last year grammars. And we'll focus on have got, there is, there are grammar structures, okay? What will be your objectives of this lesson? So by the end of this lesson, you'll be able to revise and consolidate the grammar structure have got, there is, and there are. And also you'll be able to tell or describe, to tell about your school or to describe some features of your school. Okay? And your homework, workbook exercise, page 7. And YA class exercise. Please don't forget to check your YA class in the evening. I'll send you some exercise related to today's topic. Is everything clear? Guys, be active. I don't see your answers. Last time I gave you my email address, remember? If you open the first presentation, you'll find my email address. If not, maybe I will send to your WhatsApp group a little later after the lesson. Okay? Good. Now, let's start our lesson and pay attention on this boy. So look at the boy and can you tell me, does he look as someone who is from this country? Does he look as someone who is from this country? The boy. Does he look as someone? Does he look as someone from this country? No, yes. He looks as a foreigner, yes? Okay, let me introduce this boy. He's a son of my friend. His name is Paula. And he came from Italy to study at Gazprom, Kyrgyzstan. By the way, he will be your classmate. He is 13 years old and he is very happy staying at Kyrgyzstan and he is very happy that he is going to study at Gazprom, Kyrgyzstan. Okay? Now, let's look at the timetable of Paula. Do you see the timetable well? Do you see? It's on the right. This is a timetable of Paula at Gazprom school. Guys. Okay. Now, what subject has he got on Monday at 10 a.m.? So look at his timetable. What subject has he got on Monday at 10 a.m.? Yes, Big Sultan? English. Paula has got English on Monday at 10 a.m. Yes, good, Rahat Bek, good. Next, has he got science on Wednesday at 11:30? Has he got science on Wednesday at 11:30? So look at the schedule at 11:30. What kind of subject does he have? No. Yes. or no? No, he hasn't. Yes, he has got math. Yes. And what clubs has he got after school? So look at the after school clubs. What clubs has he got after school? Basketball. What else? Guitar, basketball. Yes. He has got the guitar and basketball clubs. Yes. Number 4. Has he got ICT on Friday? Has he got on Friday? Nursultan, can you write the full answer? Yes, good job, Aldayar. Yes, he has. So, as you have noticed, we have just revised the grammar have got and has got, yes? And let's look at the meaning. So, when do we usually use the structure have got and has got? So, when do we use it? Okay, have got and has got we usually use when we talk about our possession, right? Or our belongings. And what's the difference between the verb have and have got? What's the difference between have and have got? The main difference is that have got is more informal, yes? So we talk in informal situations. Okay, have got. So we use the same structure have got for the pronouns I, you, we, they. But what about the contraction? I've got, you've got, they've got, and they've got. Yes? And how do you make the negative form? How do you make the negative form? Negative form is I have not got or I haven't got. You have not got or you haven't got. Or we haven't got. They haven't got. How should we make a question then? How should we make the interrogative form? So the verb have we put onto the first place, yes? Have I got, have you got, and have you got. Now guys, can you tell me, do we use the same structure of have got for the pronouns like he, she, it? No, yes? We need to change have into has. He has got, or short form is he's got. She has got, she's got. It has got, it's got. And the same for negative like hasn't got, he, she, it hasn't got. And the question is, has he got, has she got, and has it got? Okay? So we have just look at the form of have got and has got. Now it's time to practice. Oops, what happened? Okay. So look at the 3 sentences in these sentences. You see the minus. Minus means it is a negative sentence. So could you please write down the positive and interrogative forms, please? Sam hasn't got answers of the test. What will be the positive form of this sentence? Guys, I'm waiting for your answers. Guys, are you all here? Sam has got, but could you write the full sentence, please? Yes, the full sentence will be Sam has got answers of the test, And what will be the question? What will be the question? Has Sam got answers of the test? Yes. Excellent. Emir, excellent. Yes, good job. Now, the second sentence. They have got special instruments to open the door. What will be negative and questions? Chungus, I understand, but I think the internet connection is bad. That is why we have a little bad screen. Yes, you cannot see well everything. Okay, let's check. They haven't got special instruments to open the door. Yes, you're right. This is negative form. And how should we make a question then? Question. Emir. Have they got? Yes, you're right. Well done. Good job. Okay, and the last sentence. The last sentence is interrogative form. Now, could you write the positive and negative sentences? Okay, let's talk about the positive form of the sentence. Positive form. You have many. You have got many friends. Yes, you have got a lot of friends. Sometimes, according to the grammar, so many we use in questions or negative sentence, but in positive sentence, most of the time we use a lot. Yes, it would be appropriate to use a lot in positive sentence instead of many. Okay, and what about the negative form of this sentence? Emir, good job. Yes, Emir, well done. I haven't got many friends who I rely on. Right. Okay, more practice exercises here. Do you see these sentences which are out of order? Yes. Could you put the sentence into order to make correct sentences, please? The first one. Let's do the first one together. My sister classes history got hasn't, right? It will be my sister hasn't got history classes. You're right, Tahtan. Good job. What about the second one? Second one, it is a question. Be careful. Could you order these words to make a question with have got or has got? Guys, I'm waiting for your answers. Chingles, but this is a question. It is not a negative sentence. It is a question. Okay, let's check them together. Has the teacher got our books, Chingles? Yes, you're right. Third one. What for got we have exercise homework? Can you write your answers? Okay, let's check. What exercises have we got for homework? Yes. So we need to put exercise after the question word what. Fourth one. Number 4. Our school has got a good science laboratory. Yes, this is your answer. Now let's check. Yes, you're right. Good. And the last one? The last one? Okay. I haven't got ICT notes. Yes, let's check. I haven't got your ICT notes. Good, Nursultan, Birbul. Okay, let's practice the question form of have got. So do you see the words from boxes A, B, C? You need to combine and make a question with have got or has got. So let's do the first one together. Has this English book got an interesting exercise? Okay, could you write your questions? using combining the words from each box. Guys? Okay, you're just keeping silent. Does it take a long time to write a question? Do together then. The second, have you got strict teachers? So Big Sultan, have you got difficult tests? Okay, good. Why not? More questions? Has your school interesting classes? But Emir, you forgot the word got, because we say have got or has got. Yes. Okay. Atom, I think you have a very bad connection. That's why you cannot see the screen well. Okay, next. Has your school got nice classrooms? Okay. Next one. Have your friends got difficult class? And has your teacher got neat writing? These are the questions which were made by me. Okay. Now, let's come back to Paula's school. Do you see these pictures? This is the ex-school of Paula in Italy, and this is a Gazprom school. So what do you need to do right now, please? Can you compare and tell the differences between these two schools? Look at the classroom of Paula in Italy and classroom of Paula at Gazprom school. This is a canteen of Gazprom. This is a canteen of Italian school. Okay? And now let's compare. Oops. Okay, what sentence would you make to compare these two schools? Okay, Ahlan, excellent. So we can use the reservoir, yes? When we talk about location of something or someone, yes? There are people in Italy. Okay, good. So, there is a big swimming pool in Gazprom, Kyrgyzstan, but there isn't a big canteen in Italian school. Do you agree? Look, our canteen, it's much bigger, yes? Next, there is a big interactive board and many modern laptops in the classroom of Gazprom, Kyrgyzstan, but there is an ordinary blackboard in the classroom of Italian school. Yes, look at the boards. And there is a big and modern canteen in Gazprom, Kyrgyzstan. Do you agree? Look at it. Very colorful and very spacious, right? Okay, we have just talked about the structure. There is a ra. Okay. Happens. Okay. Change. So look at the meaning and form of the structure. There is a ra. When do we usually use there is a ra? So we use there is a ra. We use that when something exists or doesn't exist somewhere. Okay, when we talk about the location of something or someone. What is a form of there is a ra? With singular nouns we use there is. With plural nouns there are. And with uncountable noun we use there is. Examples. There is a book on the desk. There are books on the desk. And there is some milk in the fridge. How do we make the negative form? We just put not next to the verb to be, yes? There isn't, there aren't, and there isn't. For example, there isn't a pen on the table. There aren't any pens here. There isn't any juice in the fridge. So, and how do we make the question then? We just put to be verb onto the first place, yes? If it's a singular noun, we say, is there a cat on the chair? If it's a plural noun, we say, are there cats on the sofa? Okay, we have just talked about the meaning and form of there is zero structure. Now let's practice. Let's practice. Okay, now look at the sentences. Please, could you write there is, there are in negative, in question, or in positive forms? The first one. So Nursultan's answer is there a teacher? Let's check. Yes, Nursultan, you were right. You are also right. Next, second one. Any teachers? Aha, but Janibek, look at it. I think this could be it should be a negative sentence. You are just asking a question. Aha, aren't. Yes, they aren't. No, they aren't any teachers. Third one. 2 new people in this class. We are talking about plural 2 people. Janibek, let's check. Yes, Janibek, you're right. There are. Number 4. Any math homework today? Question mark. It should be an interrogative sentence, guys. Can you make a question, please? How should we make a question? Is there? Sultan says isn't there. Are there? Ayjarkun says are there. Okay, let's check. Is there? Yes, because we are talking about only one subject, like math. Next one should be a positive sentence, guys. Positive. There is. Yes, Big Sultan. Good job. There is. Number 6. Aha, there is. Number 6. There isn't, Akhtan. Yes, good job, Akhtan. There isn't. 7. Daria. Aha. There are. Yes, Victor thinks there are. Number 7. Yes, correct. This is there are. And the last one? Last one? There are. But this is a question, guys. Be careful. You see, this is a question mark. Aha. Are there? Yes, Big Sultan, you're right. Are there any notes? Okay. Good job. Okay. One more practice. So again, we need to complete these sentences, but this time we are going to complete this sentence with there is and the verb to have. So we have little time, guys. Can you do it very quick? You have to put either there is, there are, or the verb have got or has got. There an English exam this week. Aha, Big Sultan thinks it should be is. Let's check. Good job. This is. Next, second sentence. You got a new teacher for science. Guys, be careful. You may also put have got or has got. Okay, let's check. Yes, have you got a new teacher for science? You're right. Timu. Next one, the third one. Aha, Big Sultan thinks is. Yes, correct, Big Sultan. You're right. Number 4. Is. Yes, Ayjarkun, good job. You're also right. Daria, you're also right. Victor is the correct answer. 5. There any new students in this class? Are there? Yes, are there? You're right. Correct. Number 6. 6. R. The new things it should be R. When is our next math class? Because we are talking only about one class. This is a singular noun. Look, next one. The last one. Yes, half Ajarkan. Yes, correct. Good job, guys. So I understand that these topics, for some of you, these grammar structures are easy, but for some of you, these grammar structures are still your topics. But in spite of that, so you did a really great job. Yes, guys. So if you don't have a question, we are just finishing our lesson. And enjoy, please, the rest of